Kumari from Ranchi, Apollo. Today I want to talk about critical aspects of healthcare that affect us all. Patient safety. What is patient safety? Patient safety is not just a moral imperative, it is fundamental rights. Every patient deserves safe and effective care from harm or injury. Unfortunately, adverse events still occur, causing suffering, disability, and even death. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), approximately 1 to 10 million patients experience harm during care, resulting is 50 million injuries and 1.4 million deaths annually. So, what can we do? Let's see. First, common source of patient harm. Patient misidentification. Then patient falls. After that, diagnosis error. Then medication errors. Unsafe injection practice. Healthcare associates infection. These are all the common aspects about our patient safety. After that, patient safety and some other points also included in patient safety. Patient identification, hand hygiene, high alert medicines, fall preventing. These are all important aspects during our patient safety. After that, what can we do? Improve effective communication. Effective communication including improve the safety of high alert medication, then reduce the risks of healthcare associates infection also, identify patient correctly, then reduce the risks of patient harm resulting from falls. After that, what can we do? Finally, we must prioritize patient constant care, individual needs and preference. Let us work together to ensure that every patient